Hey, this is Elijah Young with 360Social, and each week what we're going to do is put together a video and give you a tip on avoiding poor branding. Today I'm actually going to give you an example of poor branding, but I'm also going to give you a solution, so how to fix it. So today I want to talk about a story. Have you ever gone to a networking event and you meet someone and you have a really good conversation, and they go to hand you their business card, and when you look at their email address, it says my company name. Let's say it's like Bev's Cleaners at yahoo.com, or John the Chef at yahoo.com. This is really bad branding for any business, and I see it happen over and over and over again, and I wanted to kind of explain why this is a bad thing. I want to explain why it happens, and also I want to explain a really simple way to fix it, so you're branding your company in the best light. The first reason that using a free email address for your business isn't good is because it really shows a lack of investment in yourself. As you're going to see later in this video, it doesn't really cost a lot of money to own a domain name and have your own email address. It just shows that you didn't take the time to put money into your business. So why would a customer want to put money into your business if you won't even do it? The second thing that really makes this a piece of poor branding is that it degrades trust. If you didn't know, Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail, these are all email addresses that scammers use to fish information from people, to steal data. When people are doing internet scams, they make like hundreds and hundreds of these free addresses. So there's really no trust in the fact that your business is reputable when so many are using these for personal use or for scandalous or fraudulent use. You really don't want to brand yourself and connect yourself to that entire industry and that entire group. So you should just avoid it. And the final thing is that it shows an experience. The problem with having a Yahoo or a Gmail address is that it shows that this may be your first business, or you may have put this together quickly, or maybe you didn't really think it through. It really shows that you haven't been through the process of putting together a website or putting together a business brand, so a customer may be wary of taking a chance and taking a shot to do business with you. But like I said, this is the problem, and I really want to give you the solution. So we're actually going to move to screencast. I'm going to show you what you can do in less than 10 minutes to change this and get a brand new email address under a brand new name, under your domain name, without having to pay for hosting, without having to pay for a full website. Let's just get to it. See you in a second. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm on the screencast, and we're going to show you how to get your own personal domain name without buying hosting, without buying a website. The reason we're doing this is because I want you to look as professional as possible. I want you guys to stop using the email address my business here at yahoo.com, my business here at gmail.com. It really looks unprofessional. You kind of look like you didn't spend a lot of time putting this company together. You may be fly by night. You may not have experience. We've already talked about the reasons why. Now let's talk about how to do it. So what I want you to do is go to google.com. I have this cool nifty Firefox version, but it all says the same. And I want you to type in Google Apps and then hit Google search. What'll come up is the official website for Google Apps for Business. You want to click that link. Obviously, I've clicked it before. And what Google Apps is, it's a suite of products for small businesses. It includes a Gmail, it includes a calendar, it includes documents. So really, this is more than just branding. I'm actually giving you this whole suite of products. Now, if you look at this front page, it says $50 per user per year. Try it free for 30 days. And you're like, Elijah, I thought you said it was going to be super cheap. Okay, I want you to ignore that, and I want you to look on the right hand of the side under Other Google Apps Editions, and I want you to click on Standard. When you click on Standard, you'll see that it's completely free. And if you don't believe me, Google says it itself. So like I said, you get websites and documents and a Google Calendar and Gmail, where you can actually run your business from this specific area. Up to 50 users, so up to 50 employees, you and your entire company can run off of Google Apps Standard Edition and not ever pay for anything. Now, there is one thing you have to pay for, but what I want you to do is click this Get Started button, and it's going to ask you a question. Either you want to use an existing domain name, which I'm assuming you don't have because you have your business name at yahoo.com. So you're going to want to click on I want to buy a domain name. You're going to pay $10 a year. So that's right. You can get a professional email. You can get a suite for your entire business. You can get documents, spreadsheets. You can get pages and wikis. You can get a full calendar to manage your entire company, $10 a year. If you can't afford that, you may want to rethink starting a business, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about how to do it. So I want you to click on I want to buy a domain name, and you can search for domain names. We'll put I need to buy a domain name.com. Check availability. It is available. Oh, so crazy. They'll tell you this is what you get: private registration, no extra cost, full control. You get Google services, you get instant messaging, all those things I told you. You don't need more details. You can if you want to. I click continue to registration, and boom, you'll put your company information, and then you go to Google checkout and pay for your domain, and you will automatically be logged in to Google Apps. Then you can set up your users. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up a user in Google Apps so you can get started using your email. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the final installment of this video series, and I've logged into 360 Social's Google Apps account because you have to use it if you're going to talk about it, right? I'm going to show you exactly how to create your perfect email address so everyone sees that you spent time to build your business the right way and you are taking time to brand your company and your domain name correctly. Even if you're not technical, this is really easy. Hopefully we're still under 10 minutes because I said it would take less than 10 minutes. So you're automatically going to be logged into this main dashboard where you get to connect to your email, your calendar, chat, blah, blah, blah. You see all this stuff. But what I want to draw your attention to is create new users. I'm going to show you how easy this is. You're going to create a new user, and every user has access to everything. You're going to type in your name, so Jane Doe, jdoe at 360degreesocial.com. Now they're going to give you a temporary password, but you can set your own. We'll just call it 360 social. That's not my password. Don't try anything, guys. And then just click create new user. See how fast that was? It was less than a minute. So my computer's been running crazy slow today. What'll happen is the screen will pop up like it's about to, and it's going to give you a blue box with all of the login information and all of the access or the information to access this particular new account that you just set up. I was trying to talk until my screen refreshed, but apparently it's just not going to do so. Then you're going to have an option, there it is, to either print these instructions on a sheet of paper, which I don't know who would do that, or what you're going to do is email. When you click on that, you get to decide who you want to email it to. I'm going to email it to myself. Oh look, it's already there. And hit send instructions, and you will get an email with your password, your username, links to get to email, calendar, and chat. It's awesome, and it's free, and it's under 10 minutes. That's the way you brand your company. That's the way you make sure that you're professional 100% of the time, and that's the way you put your best foot forward. I'm Elijah Young from 360 Social, helping people manage their brands, and this has been putting together a professional email address. And please leave Google, Yahoo, Gmail, Yahoo, and Hotmail alone. Take care, guys. Thanks.